Welcome to GetRide. We're thrilled to have you as part of our community. Let's walk you through how to use the GetRide app for a seamless ride-sharing experience. Ensure you've downloaded the GetRide app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign into your account. Choose from options like economy, minivan, van, truck, or towing truck. For a regular rideshare, select economy. The app will detect your current location as the pickup point. Enter your drop-off address or mark it on the map. You can add specific instructions or details for the driver, such as special pickup instructions. Check your pickup and drop-off locations, then confirm your ride request. The app will fetch available drivers in your area. Make sure to choose your payment method, whether it's card or cash. Before hitting the Ride button to send your request, adjust the suggested price up or down by 100% based on demand. This ensures a fair price for both you and the driver. Drivers in your area will be notified of your request. View their ratings, car photos, and fare offers. To check the driver's location, click on the Locate button. Your selected driver's location will then be displayed on the map. Select the best driver based on these details. Drivers will also see if the order is paid online or if it is a cash order. Chat or call your driver directly through the app. Provide your one-time booking or OTB code to the driver upon arrival for safety. Upon arrival at your destination, the driver will confirm your arrival. Choose to pay via cash, card, or wallet. If you choose to pay by cash initially, the app will ask again at the end of the trip about the payment option, whether it's cash, card, or wallet. Rate your driver after payment. Thank you for using GetRide. We hope you had a great experience. See you next time.